Good evening, everyone. Today is Saturday, July 6. I don't know what time in your end because we have a time difference. From your end in Europe or United States, it's early morning. Here in Australia, our time is 9 o'clock in the evening. Now, this is a reminder to everyone, whether you're a broker or a small buyer. I just finished having a conference with a buyer that he flew to West Africa. This buyer, he knows me. He been following my virtual office, my virtual page on Facebook, my virtual videos on YouTube, and he read the full corporate offer. However, he was being offered a very cheap price, and this buyer was being offered to pay taxes. What happened to this buyer? He did flew to Mali. He did flew to Sierra Leone. He did flew to Ghana. And he did flew to Nairobi and Conakry, Guinea. Now, Africa is the main source of supply on precious mineral, gold, coffee, bauxite, cashew, and so forth. Now, Wilhelmina is your business facilitator. I am not an agency. You search on YouTube about gold, and you search on Facebook about gold and diamond. This lady will pop up into your phone because I'm the only person who put my face to the global domain. Now, I am your business facilitator. At the same time, I am the seller extension and marketing consultant and mandate. So my position is different from brokering to middleman. It's not easy. Now, the reason why I blog my sentiment or pity to those buyers that been a victim. Now, why you were being a victim in the beginning? You are looking for cheap price, and there's so many fake offer. Those seller who offer you to pay taxes, he doesn't have the license to sell to you. He doesn't have the license to export to you. And you as the foreigner, you don't have a license to carry. You have to buy the gold to a licensee. You have to buy the gold to a dealer that can export to you. Now, how many times I explained that on my video? Many times. But those buyers that are stubborn, there's a saying, ignorance of the law excuses nobody. Now, this buyer, every day I have a conference. They knows me, and when they have a problem, they come to Wilhelmina. Now, the gold didn't arrive to Dubai. This buyer, I don't want to mention his name. This buyer went to West Africa. And he was being offered a cheap price. And he was being offered to pay taxes. My dear buyers, my dear middlemen, there is no way you can get the gold to pay taxes. That is normal. You have to pay the tax. That is normal. You have to pay the gold plus government sales tax. Gold is taxable. When you are in your country, when you buy something, there is always a valued added tax. This precious mineral, there is a valued added tax. So where you get that a person will offer you to pay taxes only, and the gold didn't arrive in Dubai. This buyer, he flew to Mali, and he flew to Sierra Leone, he flew to Ghana, he flew to Nairobi, and he flew to Conakry, Guinea as well. There's a lot of buyers come to me. I cannot solve your problem. You are already on the ground, and then when you have a failure, when you have a problem, you come to Wilhelmina for rescue. Wilhelmina cannot rescue you. I'm based in Australia. You search on YouTube, you found this lady, and then you were being excited. Madam, teach me. I cannot teach you. You're a businessman, you should know that. That you should pay the gold before the gold leave the country of origin. And you believe on the seller that no problem, no problem. Don't believe on no problem. Because at the end of the day, there would be a problem. Now this buyer, he arrived in Dubai. The gold didn't arrive. Why? The seller makes stories. Excuse me. That the buyer has to pay. See, he believed that, okay, I'll pay taxes. The gold will arrive to Dubai. Didn't arrive. So he failed. He got 10 kilos. I have the sellers in Mali. I have the sellers in Conakry, Guinea. I have the seller in Sierra Leone. But I would not entertain you. You are already on the ground. I rejected this buyer. I did. And there was a buyer in Ghana. He couldn't get the gold. I told him there's a lot of gold. And this buyer says to me, the gold, madam, has to be deposited to PMC. That's right. Because that PMC now is authorized by the government. There are 14 refineries in Ghana. They are fighting. They are competing each other. The refinery is buying gold in Ghana, but the refinery as well has no money. This refinery in Ghana, they are just taking advantage of you guys. So what happened? This buyer from Asia, failure. And then you come to me, madam, I have a buyer here, bring the gold to China. No, we don't bring gold to China. Chinese are very clever. Yeah, Chinese think that they can get gold for nothing. Chinese think that they can get the gold credit. Gold is not for credit. You go to China, you buy their product, they will not give you credit. You have to pay for it. Gold is not for credit. Even in Dubai, you buy jewelry in Gold Sock. The owner of the shop would not give you his gold for credit. I purchased this one in Dubai. I purchased this in Dubai. It's not for credit. I paid cash. Buying gold exactly the same. You have to pay cash. Where did you get that idea from that bring the gold to Dubai, I will pay after final answer? You're crazy. So therefore you are crook. Buyer asking CIF are crook. Buyer asking bring the gold to Dubai is crook. Dubai is a hub. Most of the foreigner, they open a company in Dubai because Dubai tax heaven. So they are all crook. A buyer asking for CIF, LC, they don't have the cash. They're going to leverage. They're going to launder. Gold is not for laundering. Africa is a red flag already. 98% of gold in Dubai coming from Africa is smuggled. Carried by the diplomat. Carried by a person that hand carry. There was a buyer that, I think he is from Benin. He brought the gold to Dubai via diplomat. What happened? The gold carried by diplomat is undocumented. What happened? Gold is stuck in the airport in Dubai. So Dubai is a place for smuggler. But if you smuggle, well, you're gonna pay the price because the custom will seize your gold. So what happened? This seller from Benin is stuck in Dubai. I'm sorry, I cannot help you. I can only help you when you follow the golden rules of purchasing. Now, Mr. Buyer, Wilhelmina is a business facilitators of yours. You found me on YouTube channel. You read the full corporate offer. You subscribe on YouTube. Click below. Click on the bottom. subscribe because time to time I update the price of gold. Now today the price of gold, just a moment. Okay. Last month the price of gold was down. Today the price of gold is 2,392.34 per ounce. Last month the price of gold was down 2,250 per ounce. Now today, in dollars term, 99.99, 24 carats, it's already refined, 76,924.26. That is already refined. We are not selling refined here. Our gold is 22 plus, which is 23 carats. Selling price is 70,500. Last month, the gold price on Doribar was 67. Then goes up to 68. Today, July 6, goes up again to 70. Now, there is a prediction that the gold will turn to 3,500 per ounce. End of 2024, 3,500 per ounce times 32.15. This could be the price. Yeah, this could be the price. 112, 125 per kilo. Go on my platform on Facebook. You will see everything. Now this video is on my YouTube channel and on my Facebook. Don't be excited watching this lady. I want you to listen from the beginning to the end. And after you listen to this video, click below. Read the full corporate offer paragraph by paragraph. Digest it properly. Comprehend it properly. Then that is the time you come for conference to Wilhelmina and say you're gonna send me a letter of interest on your company letterhead. I mentioned that several times on my video. But you did not comprehend, you did not read. I'm sorry, I don't want to deal chain of middlemen. Don't be excited if you watch this video, if you found this video on my YouTube channel and on my platform on Facebook. You're lucky that you found this lady and you gain more knowledge. Knowledge is very important. I put everything in order to educate those small buyer and those buyer's agent that representing company. You have to learn how to comprehend, and you tell your buyer, if your buyer asking CIF, he wouldn't get the CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. We don't deal letter of credit. This is cash business. This is FOB. Now, you're gonna see, madam, what is your price? I just finished having a conference. Few potential buyer, but when I interview them, they are not potential buyer. They are window shopping. That is fine when you do the window shopping because you are comparing prices to prices. There's a lot of fake offer. You can deal with a fake offer. Just like this buyer, he flew to Mali. I know Mali because I was there in Mali. Mali has changed. You cannot get the gold in Mali without full payment. And the tax in Mali is 7%. The seller didn't tell that buyer. The buyer flew to Mali last month, and I communicated with him. He said that he get the gold. And then he said to me that I'm about to board. What happened? Disaster. The gold didn't arrive in Dubai. And now he was angry. Why you gonna get angry for? I even given you the advice. You did not deal with Wilhelmina because Wilhelmina can guide you. Wilhelmina can be with you on the ground. But this buyer doesn't want to pay my services. He wanted to save money. So what happened? Disaster. So you, Mr. Buyer, if you're watching, spend money to make money. You cannot just be thrifty You're buying $1,000,000 here, right? 10 kilos is already $1,000,000. And then you're asking CIF cost, insurance, and freight? To me, you're a joker. Joker buyer. Who is going to give you $1,000,000 for nothing? Who is going to tell you to pay taxes on $1,000,000? You're buying money to make money, and then you bargain to CIF, cost, insurance, and freight only. The government would not give his gold. The seller cannot give you the export documentation that you have paid. Your payment must be bank to bank in order to reflect the cash inflow. I already advised this buyer before he flew. He didn't believe me. Now when he's disaster, say, hello, madam, I should listen to you. I said, well, you didn't listen to me because you don't believe. Now disaster, he lost money. See, there's a lot of buyers who knows me. They don't like to deal with me. They don't like to deal in a proper way. They want to deal crooked way. What happened? Disaster. Now, Mr. Buyer, today, the price of gold is $2,391.59 per ounce. In dollars terms, $79,891.35. Our selling price less 8%. I don't know if you can afford. Now, if you are really a serious buyer, you can get gold from us via Wilhelmina. I will renegotiate the price for you. I will assist you properly from the beginning to the end. However, my services is not for free. I do charge my services to accompany you in order to get the gold so that you will not be cheated, so that you will not encounter disaster. It doesn't matter if he is my seller. African sellers is hard to come by. The seller, the real seller, is hard to deal with. Because he believed that gold is money. He believed that gold is precious. He wouldn't give you for nothing. Show you money. Now, Mr. Buyer, how are you able to get this precious mineral? After you listen to this video, subscribe and click below. Click on the button and subscribe and give me the comment. What did you learn out of my video today? Today is July 6. The time here in Australia is 9:24 in the evening, which is Saturday. So the stock exchange is closed. This price was yesterday, Friday, 2,391.59 per ounce. You multiply that to 32.15 equals 79,891.35 per kilo. Unrefined. You are not buying refined to us. We are selling unrefined. Most of the country like United States, Russia, Swiss buyer, American buyer, Australian buyer, Dubai buyer, they are buying Doribar because they are going to make into different uses like jewelry like this one, a wedding ring, bracelet, okay, $1, $2, and 99.99, which is refined. So only refinery can refine. So there is gold on that bar. So I don't want to explain how the refinery knows how to refine into 99.99. The most important, you get the unrefined, which is 23 carats, 96, 97 can be done into 99.99. So there is a secret to make it. Don't tell me that, Madam, I am a buyer, I'm going to sell it to the refinery. You can sell it to any refinery as long as you pay. And then don't tell me that, Madam, I'm going to bring the gold to United States or in Hong Kong after final acid. That's the time we are going to pay. Wrong. You are buying money. Why should we give you money? Gold is a solid money versus your paper money. Don't you know that we are inflation? Everybody buys gold. Every big company are buying gold. Why Australian mining company is in Africa? Tell me. Why these Russian are in Africa? signing a contract. They want to get the precious mineral and refine it into 99.99 for their reserve in their central bank. Why Swiss buyers fly to Africa? Switzerland has no gold. They buy Doribar, they bring it to Switzerland and refine it into 99.99 on their hallmark, on their name, made in Swiss. But where the gold coming from? Africa. Why Russian are there? Why Chinese are there? Why? When I stayed at Kalum Hotel in Conakry, this hotel is always full. Chinese are buying bauxite. Chinese are buying gold. Chinese are buying a property to lease in order to mine, to get the bauxite. You are a small trader. You are buying finished product, which is gold bar Dory. From dust gold to Dory bar. So you are buying unrefined. We are not selling refined. It's up for you to refine it. There's a buyer from India. He's asking me that bring gold to India. We don't know you. Before you get the gold, you have to send a letter of interest called LOI in your company letterhead. Now, Mr. Buyer, do not come for conference if you cannot comprehend. Do not. I want you to learn. I want you to comprehend. I want you to read properly on this video. Subscribe and click below. Make a comment if you learn out of this video. If not, then at least you have to learn. If you went to school, I'm sure you learn how to comprehend. How many buyers I have interviewed in the past? A lot. They don't comprehend. To me, they are not a buyer. They are not. A real buyer doesn't talk too much. Only bullshit buyer took too much. Now, in India, you cannot bring gold in India if you don't have an importation license. Most Indian, they opened a company in Dubai because they couldn't bring the gold Doribar in India because there is a restriction in India. India is a gold lover. What they do, they are wise Indian. They register their business in Dubai because Dubai is a tax heaven. So they make into different uses. They make into jewelry. I went to a jewelry manufacturer owned by Indian. I was invited on his factory. I learned a lot. So don't tell me that I don't learn about gold. That is why the seller hired Wilhelmina. I tell the world that Africa is the main source of precious mineral. Now, Mr. Buyer, our selling price less 8%, whatever the world market. However, don't panic. If you convince Wilhelmina, yes, you will get a fair price. You will get a good discount. How are you going to get a discount? Bigger discount, more than 8%. First of all, you read the full corporate offer on this video. Read it, digest it, and then you come for conference. There, Wilhelmina, I watch your video. I hereby apply to purchase gold. Here is a copy of my business registration, Wilhelmina. Here is a copy of my importation license. Here's a copy of my passport and a copy of my bank statement. I am a real buyer, Wilhelmina. Please assist me, Wilhelmina. I need 100 kilos every month, Wilhelmina, for 5 years. Or I need 10 kilos to start with for 5 years every month. Please allocate us every month 50 kilos, 100 or 500 or tons of gold. Yes, we can. Because you are buying direct to the producer. My seller produced gold direct from his mine, but he would not give his gold for nothing. You, as the trader, you have to lay out a capital in order to get the profit. You will get the profit if you meet the criteria. Yes, I can help you to make rich. I can. How? I do charge my services to accompany you. When I travel, I do charge. My services is not for free. I've given you free information. Knowledge is more powerful. Knowledge is worth $1,000,000. And then you're gonna say, well, Amina, how much you charge for your extra service to assist me in Conakry, Guinea, to assist me in Mali, to assist me in Sierra Leone? Yes, I do charge $20,000 to cover my travel cost. From the beginning to the end, I would be with you. And I would be with you during the transaction. I will stay put when you fly to your destination. If you're a buyer from Dubai, I prefer you come to Conakry. Why? Conakry and Dubai, direct flight, Emirates, fly 3 times a week. And there is a shipping agent called Emirates Air Cargo. So if you are a buyer from Dubai, it's better to deal with us in Conakry. If you want gold in Mali, then you have to stop 2 or 3 airports. Yeah, Mali has tons of gold. I've been to Mali. Mali is not easy. He's not going to give you for free. Yeah, you have to pay the tax. But don't worry about the taxes because Wilhelmina will renegotiate for you. And also the price. Now, our selling price on Doribar less 8%. If you convince Wilhelmina, I might give you 13%. But don't bank on it. I might giving you 13%. So, secure now because the price of gold is getting higher and higher and higher. Last month, the gold was down. I warned everyone last year that the gold will turn to 3,500, but nobody wants to listen to Wilhelmina. I always read the movement of gold. Listen to this lady. I've been in marketing for 36 years. Buying and selling exactly the same. You have to pay what you are buying. We are not giving for free. This is my virtual office. I'm based in Brisbane, Queensland. The gold is in Conakry, not here. I only receive your order. I will interview you live video call. If you meet the criteria, yes, you can get the gold from my head office. There is no gold here in Brisbane. There's none. I only talk to you guys, telling the world that Africa is the main source. You will get the gold when Wilhelmina be with you. I will take you to the office. Guaranteed 100% you get the gold. However, my guarantee is like this. You have to convince Wilhelmina that you are really a buyer. Because when I bring you to the office, guaranteed you will see your order. Guaranteed you will get the gold. And guaranteed the gold will arrive in Dubai. Why? You have to pay for it. The gold cannot be brought to the central bank unless you pay for it. Because your payment would be reflect into cash inflow. Now, how? I'm going to explain to you about Conakry when you want to buy gold in Conakry. You inspect the gold in the office. The gold will be reserved for you. You inspect, you bring your gold analyzer. You inspect every bar. When you like it, then you make a down payment. Your commitment, not upfront. There's no upfront. You have to pay for it based on your contract. Because before you travel, we will send you the contract. We'll send you the landing visa. Now, you saw your order. You transfer the payment bank to bank. It would take 3 working days to clear your payment. From your bank account of your country, goes to the correspondence bank in New York, then correspondence bank to Africa. Okay? Because your payment has to be checked whether your money is clean or not because of money laundering. Now, once your payment has been cleared, that is the time the export documentation would process. Okay, now, you're going to say, bring the gold to central bank. The gold will be brought to central bank when the seller will send a letter to Central Bank that he is going to export to you. So he is going to bring the gold to Central Bank. It stays at the Central Bank. Once the export documentation has been finished, then the armor car will brought to the airport, hand over to the shipping agent, then ship it to Dubai if you're from Dubai. Then you claim that in Dubai. So you have to tell me who is your receiving end, who is your consignee. You must state in your contract, on your letter of interest, because I'm going to collect your vital information before you receive the confirmation, a letter of confirmation and the contract. Because Wilhelmina will gather your vital information thoroughly. Then when I receive your vital information, I will send it to the head office. Then I will determine which seller I'm going to place you. Conakry, Mali, or Sierra Leone. I will determine which one because I'm gonna be with you. Does that make sense, Mr. Buyer? So don't be confused. I already explained it video to video. If you didn't comprehend to me, you are not a buyer. You are a fly-by-night buyer, just like this buyer. He flew to Mali. What happened? He didn't get the gold. Now, Mr. Buyer, deal with Wilhelmina. Guaranteed you will get the gold. Don't be afraid because I know my seller. Okay? I know him personally because when I travel, I bring the buyer transaction successful. But we don't give you our client because that is private. We'll open the books when you come to the office. You don't ask me, well, Amina, I want to see the proof of your client. We don't give because this is very tricky business. And our client would not like to divulge who he is. He doesn't like it. You will only see the gold in the office when you come with Wilhelmina. That is guaranteed. My seller owned the mines. My seller have 6 companies. So he is a big time company compared to you. Are you scared to deal with us? Therefore, you are really not a buyer. Because to me, I'm a woman. I travel in Africa by myself. I don't have any security guard. You're going to be safe when you're going to be with Wilhelmina. Guaranteed 100%. Thank you very much, Mr. Buyer. Click below, subscribe, click on the button, read the full corporate offer thoroughly. Then that's the time you come back when you are ready. Don't come for conference to talk to Wilhelmina if you are not certain buyer. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good morning to you and good evening here from Brisbane, Australia.